In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to tasks in Microsoft To Do. This tool is fantastic for personal accountability, planning your day, and keeping tabs on your to-do list in a structured way. Categories are super handy for organizing tasks by type, priority, or however you see fit, which ultimately boosts productivity. Let's dive into the process, which is simpler than you might think. First things first, you'll want to head over to Microsoft To Do. You can do this by typing Welcome to To-Do in your search bar, or clicking on the link if you're accessing this guide online. This platform is where all your task management dreams come to life, so make sure you're familiar with navigating it. Once you're there, the next step is to get logged into your account, look for the Sign In button and give it a click. It's essential to use the Microsoft account associated with your to-do list. If you're logged into multiple Microsoft accounts on your device, make sure you're using the correct one here. Typing in your email is the next step on the list. Enter the email linked to your Microsoft account. It's crucial to ensure that you have access to this account. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to overlook, especially if you have multiple email addresses. After that, hit Next. You're making great progress, and you're one step closer to leveraging the power of categories in your daily planning. Now we'll navigate to My Day in To Do. This feature showcases tasks you've earmarked for the current day. Think of it as your daily dashboard for productivity. It's a clean slate each morning, giving you a fresh start with your tasks. The fun part begins now, selecting the task you want to categorize. Maybe it's Send Monthly Report or Plan Birthday Party. Whatever it is, click on the task to open it up for more details. Here's where the magic happens. Inside the task details, you'll find an option to pick a category. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with different category options. This functionality allows you to sort your tasks into categories like work, personal, urgent, or anything else that fits your workflow. If you've already set up categories, pick the one that fits best. If not, now might be a good time to consider what categories would make your life easier. It's worth noting a few additional tips to make the most out of categories in Microsoft To Do. Remember, consistency is key. Try to be consistent with how you categorize tasks so that over time it becomes a smooth and automatic part of your task management routine. You can also edit categories as your workflow changes or as you find better ways to organize your tasks. It's all about finding what works best for you and adapting the tool to fit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully added a category to a task in Microsoft To Do. It's a simple process that can significantly impact how you organize and prioritize your work. By categorizing tasks, you're not only making your list more manageable, but you're also taking a big step towards better productivity. It makes it easier to filter through tasks and focus on what matters most at any given time. Remember, Microsoft To Do is a powerful tool designed to fit into your work style. Play around with it, explore different features, and see how you can make it work best for you. Categories are just the beginning. There's a whole world of productivity waiting for you within Microsoft To Do. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and beneficial for organizing your tasks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and make the most out of your day. Happy planning and see you next time.